Hi, I'm Emily with the iMBrace team. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily integrate communication channels like WhatsApp and many software apps with NetSuite and expand NetSuite usage capability, building NetSuite process and communication flows in just minutes. With iMBrace no-code workflow, constructing a NetSuite workflow is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned user or just beginning your journey, iMBrace ensures a seamless and user-friendly process. You do not require advanced coding skills or any information technology expertise. It's a no-code platform engineered for simplicity and accessibility. From setting triggers all the way to specifying actions, iMBrace offers a straightforward, step-by-step flow that provides guidance at every turn, all while keeping simplicity and accessibility at the forefront. In this example, we are showing you how we can insert a new record to NetSuite by constructing a WhatsApp conversation. After asking the questions, we prepped the labeled information and then drag and drop the NetSuite connector. Then select the right parameters. And it is done. Now we are done with the workflow. Let us test and show you. On the left is the WhatsApp demo. It follows the flow, starting to ask me for the name, email, and phone number. After filling out all the information, you can see from the NetSuite. This seamless process streamlines your data flow, ensuring that you have all the essential details right where you need them. I hope you find this demo useful. Thank you and see you again soon. Revolutionize your business with iMBrace now.